All right, Macy's, the letter M, makes the watch list for, I want to say for Wednesday, but really for the rest of the week, because you got a pretty clearly defined range in this stock between 59 and 55. So, if we can get down to 55, I really like it as a long, and up to 59, I like it as a short for now. So let's just keep Macy's on watch. It's not the number one thing on my list, but just happened to start there. Loco, I like as a long. You can see the trend line here. Hit it a few days ago and now has held the 8-day moving average and put in a pretty narrow day today. So I like it over today's high, which would be over 36.42 as a potential long. That might be enough to get it through this trend line and start the breakout. So Loco on long watch, TRUE. Held support the last few days. Let me draw a line real quick here. What used to be resistance there after the IPO right there became support, and it's really kind of held it for a few days and then had a nice pop on Monday, and then today kind of had a quiet day. So I like it over today's high, over 1788. Might just push through Monday's high and get going. There may be a different entry too, depending on how it trades at the open. YOD, kind of a cheapie, but interesting volume lately. A pop, kind of a quiet day, another pop, but over today's high would be 261, and then if you look a couple days ago, you had a high of 269. So 261 could get you through 270, and then maybe get a nice quick run to 3, because this one's got volume coming in, and as you can see back here, at times this one can move pretty nicely. Had a nice day back here too. So YOD is on long watch. JD, again, another one. Reminds me a little bit of TRUE. It's held support in this area here. And then on, let's see, Monday had kind of a nice pop. And then today, just a quiet inside day. So I like it over today's high. Could push through Monday's high and maybe make a move now that it's held support. So 2506 is today's high. I like it over that. Again, depending on how the market, I don't just automatically dive in these, but depending on how the market trades. The letter X, U.S. Steel. After the earnings gap up, it sold off for a couple days, sideways, and now a big sell-off today. Down into some support, though. So watching this one for a bounce play tomorrow. I actually called this long in chat today at 35.90. So just about picked the bottom clean there. It didn't bounce as much as I'd hoped, but I still like this as a potential bounce play for tomorrow. And STX, I've been watching this for a potential short after it made this crazy long move to break the early September highs. Now you've got a couple days where it's really starting to look toppy, so I like this as a potential short. And that is my list for tomorrow. Have a great night. We'll talk to you tomorrow.